Welcome to Smart Decoding, your inside look at how we're shaping the future of banking through cutting-edge digital experiences and breakthrough technology. Get ready. Smart Decoding starts now.
Hi, I'm Mickey Van Cleve, and I'm the Chief Design Officer at Chase.
And I'm Seth Wheeler, the Chief Data and Analytics Officer here at Chase. We're here today to talk about how design and data intersect in building great customer experiences. As we think about our tools and how they're going to be impacted with Gen AI, as we think about workflow, how quickly is that going to disrupt the designer's experience? With Gen AI, oftentimes it's just an open box, a prompt box, and you ask it a question, it abstracts away a lot of that complexity in the background. How quickly is that going to change the experience of the designer?
You know, it's such a great question, and the true answer is I don't know, but what I believe is that we will be prepared to design experiences like that a little bit faster than our consumers are ready to embrace it. And the reason I say that is because we have the tools. If tomorrow we wanted to deliver an experience that was primarily conversational, we could. But we still have 5,000 branches that millions of customers walk into every single day. We still have call centers that millions and millions of customers call every day. And so, you know, at the end of the day, we're here to serve customers in the way that they want to receive service and help. And so, like any decision we made, we're going to go at their pace and not be forced into anything faster. I think my team, is looking forward to the day they don't have to design another button, frankly. But I think we have several years yet before UI is gone or UI has shifted drastically. Yeah.
Well, in data and analytics, ultimately, core of a lot of what we do is we have tremendously rich data at Chase, as we've discussed. And we have a bunch of analysts who are going in and trying to find the right data, pull it out of the database, set up an analysis, help visualize it. And I think pretty quickly, Gen AI is going to help at the low end start iterating around there where it can do some of that. And I think it will rapidly change some of what analysts do. I think in the future, some of the more sophisticated, if you're building a model or you're doing repeatable analytics where you need just the right answer, the answer needs to come out the same every time. Yeah. I think that's not going to be as disrupted with Gen AI as quickly. It's going to be Gen AI plus humans. But as Gil, our partner in tech, keeps emphasizing how awesome Gen AI is going to be in freeing up designers, freeing up analysts to think about those bigger questions for the customer, to think deeply and not just ply their trade in the technical tools, but really shifting their thinking around the customer and really getting to the core of what we've talked about, which is understanding the customer, iterating around that, thinking about how that should drive our the experiences and solutions we deliver for our customers.
As somebody who has spent so much time thinking about the tremendous data assets that we have, but also being, very focused on keeping that data safe and protected. Does the world of AI and the general kind of democratization of access to data, does that worry you? Does it not worry you? Should it worry me? How do you think about that?
Well, a core part of our value proposition, our brand promise to our customers, safety and protection. So absolutely protecting our customers' data is tied for job one for us as we think about how we use their data, how we deliver experiences with their data. Bad guys are out there using Gen AI and using AI to try and threaten our customers, whether fraud, thinking about attack from fraudsters who try to come and get customers' money. So I think we certainly need to be very careful in how we use our customers' data, and then protecting that customer's data, and then using AI to protect our customers. Fraud has been one of our most important use cases, as we call it, or things that we're focused on using AI to do, which is extraordinarily sophisticated techniques to protect our customers' data. It's going to take iteration and thinking, as you highlighted, really understanding what are they prepared for, what do they want in their journey in terms of what we use our data to do. I think table stakes is protecting the data, using it to protect our customers' money. But then beyond that, saying, okay, where are our customers at in terms of what they want those experiences to look like, and what do they feel comfortable with, what feels authentic in terms of how we're supporting them.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. To learn more, follow us on LinkedIn or check out our Next at Chase blog on medium.com.